I want to show you how to make phone chat bubble in Premiere Pro. To start, go over to your project panel and click on the rectangle tool. Click and highlight a rectangle shape on your preview window to the approximate shape of an iPhone chat bubble. Now go over to Essential Graphics and scroll down and click on the color beside Fill at the bottom. Beside the hex code, enter a value of 1982FC. This is the approximate shade of blue of the iMessage chat window. Then click OK. Go over to corner radius and increase the value until your corners start to round up a bit. Now we need to create the little lip in the corner of the chat window. Go over and click on the pen tool and then head over to your preview screen. Click on 3 points to make a triangle so the point faces diagonally. Everything is almost ready. Let's add some text. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.